what is our goal as a photojournalist? Atong goal as a photojournalist is to tell the story through images. This is our main goal. Atong litrato, kinahanglan, gusto niya, tell a story. See? Seek action. Kinahanglan ang atong litrato na action. Paghatag, pagsumpuman, pagdagan. So, dahil action. Moments. What is moments? Reaction. Reactive expression. Sometimes our picture has to have an expression. Kuha na siya. Plus factor na siya. Look for unusual. Kinahanglan, photographer, not to look for unusual every day. Naadyo. Not to look for unusual. Search for human interest. React to issue. Best, we'll digest it one by one. Palaspasan ka rin, kipapin na mo. So, photojournalism is a marriage between photography and words na. So, nga naman ang photography is a marriage to science and art. Pero, di ba namin photojournalism? Ano yung words? So, kapag namin natin kaya yung picture sa Facebook, bigyan nyo caption na yun kayo nung asam nyo eh! Insam nyo eh! So, sinatupot yung caption. Let's go to captioning! So, 75% is the photo, 25% is caption. One photo plus caption is equivalent to one story. So, a photojournalist is independent to a writer. We're also a writer, but our tool here is the camera. So, hundreds of words, text. So, captioning is just an information of your photo.